It's been a whirlwind of 4 months creating this masterpiece, an 8-foot Optimus Prime crafted entirely from cardboard. But before I dive into the details, let me share a bit about myself. Hey there, I'm Izon Crafts, and I have a passion for bringing cardboard creations to life, with a special love for transforming them into iconic figures like the Transformers. This dream has been brewing since my childhood, and finally, after a decade, I've brought it to fruition. The dedication and joy I've poured into perfecting this art form over the past 5 years have truly paid off. Welcome to my channel. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment sharing your thoughts on my latest creation. Let's dive into some incredible content together. I was completely mesmerized after watching the Transformers movie 3 times just to capture every intricate detail of Optimus Prime. I gathered 3/4 and 1/2 inch pipe, tubes to craft the skeleton, and stocked up on cardboard for this grand project. Starting with the body as the foundation, I meticulously framed it before delving into the intricate design work to bring Optimus' iconic physique to life. After tediously crafting the frame to make certain of its sturdy construction, I carefully assembled the front view of Optimus. Moving on to the rear, I couldn't help but be truly amazed by the sleek and sophisticated body as it all came together in such a harmonious manner. The entire process of constructing this magnificent masterpiece has genuinely been a delightful experience for me. After we've perfected the body, it's time to shift our attention to the arms. We're talking about using high-quality pipes to ensure they're not only strong but also durable. And here's the fun part. We'll cleverly conceal these pipes with layers of cardboard, giving them that sleek and powerful look reminiscent of Optimus Prime's mighty arms. Let's transform those arms into something truly extraordinary. I sliced through the pipe with the precision of a master craftsman, effortlessly maneuvering my power tools to streamline the process. With a dash of creativity, I incorporated a PVC elbow at a perfect 90-degree angle and a 3-way duct connector to fashion the hip and thigh sections of Optimus. Securing them in place with sturdy metal screws, I then meticulously layered cardboard to sculpt the intricate details of Optimus Prime's anatomy. I'm focusing on the thighs because they are the powerhouse of the body. I've been working on making them really strong, like a fortress holding everything together. Surprisingly, I've been using a lot of cardboard in my workouts. It's incredible how something as simple as cardboard can go such a long way. Many people may see cardboard as trash, but not anymore. Artists have been using cardboard in their creations, turning something ordinary into extraordinary. When embarking on this project, it's crucial to handle the tools with care. Begin by meticulously attending to the legs, filling them with cardboard to guarantee stability. These legs are robust, capable of supporting the entire structure. Don't forget to apply extra hot glue for that additional reinforcement. I am truly amazed at how far I've come, especially considering the hectic schedule of managing my own family. Despite the busyness, the motivation I feel when witnessing my creation's progress is truly invigorating. It's always challenging to make the foot of a figure, as it serves as the foundation that keeps the entire structure standing. It may take a few days to craft the foot meticulously to guarantee the figure's stability. Once the foot is ready, the next step is to seamlessly join it with the leg, ensuring a perfect fit between the two components. The crown jewel of my creation, the head, is the focal point that breathes life into the entire masterpiece. With unwavering dedication, I poured my heart and soul into crafting every intricate feature, aiming to capture the essence of the revered Optimus Prime. After a week of meticulous work, I am proud to unveil a head that exudes the unmistakable aura of the legendary Autobot commander. As I meticulously added intricate details to the leg and foot, it began to resemble something straight out of a blockbuster movie. The process of crafting this piece has been incredibly enjoyable, not to mention the sleek design of Optimus that never fails to bring a smile to my face. With each part I assemble, I eagerly anticipate unveiling the finished masterpiece, piecing together the missing components with eager anticipation. This is the final and most enjoyable part of the entire project, as I delve into detailing the body and head, creating a realistic transformation that leaves me incredibly motivated. I am truly excited to see the final result and share it with you all. I believe that my creation is not only beautiful, but also incredibly cool. As I continue to work on this project, I hope that you will enjoy and appreciate the details and attention to detail that I have placed into crafting this realistic transformation. As I prepare to dive back into my project, let me introduce you to my 10-year-old Optimus Prime and my 5-year-old Optimus Prime. Long before my deep admiration for Transformers fueled my creative drive, I marveled at how my interests could grow and transform over time. This journey has been a labor of love since my youth, bringing me immense joy and fulfillment. And now, it's time to assemble. For the past 4 months, I've poured my heart and soul into crafting this mind-blowing 8-feet Optimus Prime masterpiece. The journey has been nothing short of exhilarating, and as I gaze upon the finished product, I can't help but marvel at its perfection. This venture into large-scale project making was a first for me, and I must say, the outcome speaks volumes about the dedication I put into it. My heart swells with pride as I present this marvel to you all. If you're itching to feast your eyes on more detailed photos and delve into the nitty-gritty of how this spectacular mechanical wonder came to life, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm more than thrilled to offer any insights or information you may desire. Let's embark on this awe-inspiring journey together. If you're feeling the creative vibes from my project, show some love to my channel and make sure to hit that subscribe button for all the latest updates. Can't wait to catch up with you soon. Thanks for tuning in, and happy crafting.